We were up and at it, and I'm firing up the fucking action early today. I'm playing Assassin's Creed. Amanda's playing Sims 3, the one I got her for Christmas. I think it's funny because my guy's even metal in that game. Like, I'm metal in real life. She said, Max said something inappropriate during a press conference. Luckily, the PR agent was there to direct the attention away from that, but then was told he shouldn't use inappropriate language. And I was like, that's fucking awesome.
And he shouldn't speak to the press alone.
Even in a video game. That's fucking funny. Every now and then I'll just hear like, and I'm like, what the fuck is that? And she's like, that's you practicing guitar.
They say forever, I guess.
Been trying to conserve battery power till we get home because Amanda didn't have her charger. So it's theirs right now picking up crap, and I gotta hold a fucking pink camera. And it's a busy one today, so everyone's looking at me.
We've been at my house for quite a while, but we had to charge the camera, and that takes a few hours, probably because it lasts. Max is just working on getting his iPod music in order.
I'm playing Call of Duty 1. I forget the number.
Modern Warfare.
Modern Warfare 4.
Call of Duty 4. I'm getting my iPod all situated too. I'm getting some music.
I'm doing more iPod stuff, and I've been at this for probably 3 or 4 hours. I still gotta work tonight, and I'm not excited about that at all. Just to say the least, I'm excited about the paycheck, but waiting till midnight sucks.
We made a shepherd's pie tonight, and there it is. And it kind of like, the insides kind of like bubbled out. And we haven't really acknowledged the fact that it's New Year's Eve.
Who cares? I fucking hate New Year's because I have to work every single time.
It doesn't really matter to me that it's going to be 2011. Like, it's every day's the exact same, so. And it's not even the year 2011 either. That's just 2011 years ago. Some random guy was like, I'm going to start making a day. Here's day one, okay? Right? Hey, isn't there a movie called Day One? Year one.
Yeah, year one.
Year one. I want to see that. That's Jack Black,
It's
right?
not like, you know, the year 1 AD was not like cavemen and stuff like that at all.
Max has just been like, oh, I don't want to work tonight.
That's
but
gonna be fucking dumb.
I understand that you don't want to work. It sucks.
I wouldn't even like mind going to work on New Year's if I didn't have to start my shift at midnight.
Yeah, that sucks.
It hasn't been a very exciting day, and I have just not wanted to go to work. I'm gonna repeat that a few more times for you because I'm pretty sure I've said that so many times today that I need to say it a few more times. I don't want to go to work. 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 There. Gah! I'm playing Assassin's Creed. Amanda is actually playing World of Warcraft, which is just super lame. She hasn't played World of Warcraft in months. Mike is playing Lay Down by the PS3 for some stupid reason. I've decided that next year I will not be doing this shift. I think I said that last year. But this time, like, no, I don't want to do the New Year's shift anymore.
The money, though.
Yeah, I know, the mega dough, but I haven't been able to spend a New Year's with Amanda or my friends since I was 17 or 18, yeah. Now 21, and it just, I don't know, it's getting lame. Maybe next year I'll go to a bar and just get fucking plastered or something, and then scream some Cher or do some circle headbanging at the karaoke Bill show. I've forgotten my crescent wrench, my C-wrench, and I might need it at work tonight. And Amanda's determined to find one. Yeah. We don't know where one might be. She thinks there's one somewhere in here.
No, she's checking.
I'm a fucking dink for forgetting mine. That's the end of that, eh? Now she's going to do backflips off of the kitchen chairs, looking for this C-wrench. I've been helping a lot looking for it, you know.
You need one of these?
Yes, I definitely need a mag light like that. What? Cause it's a piece of crap. Ew. What
It's a radio.
Oh, really?
In case you're lost.
She thinks that's really funny, eh? Like, can you, like, tune in?
Yeah.
To what? That'd be cool if it was like Silent Hill.
Hold on.
Crank it. Crank the shit out of it. And Wow, that's really helpful when you're lost. A good country tune. Okay, 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 okay. Let's calm down on the flashlight radio. Ah, it's bright.
Okay, I need to see though.
That's retarded.
It plays music for you while you're trying to see.
Booyah! Thanks to the radio flashlight, we found the most metal crescent wrench on the planet. Literally the most metal crescent wrench on the planet.
It's called Husky.
I am pissed off. I guess. Not really. I don't want to go to work. Have I said that yet? There's a 15-year-old that, like, always asks me if I have sex with Amanda. And I'm just like, man, could you, like, just... That literally means you don't have sex because you're so concerned if somebody else is having sex or not. Weird, dude. Like, yeah, I do it every single 10 minutes of the day. That's what it sounds like. That's what Amanda sounds like. I'm like this. Amanda's like. That's what it's like if you really want to know, kid. You'll find out. You'll probably be 16, 17 at a party, and then you'll be drunk and you'll come to and you'll realize the girl on top of you is going. What is the most exciting thing you've ever done on New Year's? I'd say the most exciting thing I've ever done on New Year's is stay home, play video games, and drink liquor.
The most exciting thing I've done was stay home with you and play Silent Hill 4.
Yeah, every New Year's that I've stayed up, I've stayed home and played video games. I've never gone to a bar. I've never gone to a party. I've been to New Year's parties, but I'm working them, and I'm up in the catwalk. Oh, yeah, you guys are having fun down there, eh? Lots of free stuff for you. That's good. Oh, don't worry about breaking that.
I guess you've pretty much come to the conclusion that Max and I don't care about New Year's. Time to go to work soon. And it's almost midnight. What time is it? It's 11:15. You're up late. Are you really tired? No.
I'm happy.
Well, that's good. Everyone's just playing their games. Well, he's writing a bio for esoteric doctrine, an updated bio. Bye, Max. It won't be a long shift, I hope.
Oh, it'll be long.
Have a good time.
What's up?
Happy New Year, I guess.
Happy New Year.
I'm working on my iPod. I'm importing some of my CDs into my iTunes library. It's almost midnight. That's the time. He's old. Bye 2010. Happy New Year! Yeah. Why does everybody have to kiss?
I don't know.
I think that's an American thing to do.
At parties and stuff, everybody kisses each other.
2011, it's the end of the very first decade of the new millennium.
Yeah.
Why are people happy that time's passing by, though? Like, is it really that fun that time's passing by?
I don't know.
It just means you're getting older. Happy New Year to everybody. If you had a good one, that's good. Isn't this the most exciting New Year's you've ever seen, though? Like, I'm just having the blast here at home. New Year's.
Happy New Year.